Hello everyone, and welcome to Nanny Cooks from the Ozarks. And yes, I'm back. 2023 has been a rough year for me. I've had a complete hip replacement and a knee replacement, but now I'm on the mend and I'm ready to start again. And coming back, I have a new kitchen to show you all. My husband built me this nice island that I love to use, and I have new countertops, and I'm ready to get back in the groove of things. But we've also had some good things happen this year. We have a new great grandbaby and my new kitchen, and I've been mentoring some young college ladies on cooking, so it's all good right now. So today I'm going to give you a recipe that I've done once before, but I thought this time of year it was worth repeating. And it's called Jalapeno Poppers. These are good for an appetizer or a full meal or just a quick snack too. Now I have some prepared here for you. They are made with jalapeno peppers and cooked sausage, cream cheese, and shredded Parmesan cheese. And I'm just going to show you how we put these together. We start out with good size jalapeno peppers. Now we've been getting our jalapeno peppers at Aldi. They are really nice and meaty, and they have them for 75 cents a box, and there's about 6 in each box, and they're really good. So what you do is you just cut the stem off, cut them in half, and I just like to take a little sharp measuring spoon, and we scoop the seeds out. And we like to take the membranes out too because it's hot and we don't like them real hot. But if you like them kind of hot, you don't have to scrape those membranes out. And you notice I've got a rubber glove on here because I don't like for my hands to burn too. So once you scoop these out, you fry your sausage and drain it well. That's really important to drain this well. Then you add your softened cream cheese and your Parmesan cheese and let that melt. Then you just take a spoon and scoop that in there. I like to make them really full, and you can take your hand and kind of press it down too. And I've already got several here that I've fixed up for you. So you put these in a 425-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes, and they get nice and crispy on top. And I like to serve it with ranch dressing too. So I hope you'll try these. It's a fairly economical meal or an appetizer for you. So it's the Christmas season. We're just a few days from Christmas, so I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. And also, you can get this recipe, if you have our cookbook, it's on page 11, or I will also post the recipe on Facebook and YouTube for you. So enjoy it and let me know how you like it. If you will like our site and subscribe, and give us some comments. We love to hear your comments too. Now our next video is going to be, you know there's an old saying, you can't teach an old dog new tricks. Well, this old dog is going to show you some new tricks on cooking and maybe some little faster ways of doing things, because you know groceries are so expensive right now. So you all take care, have a Merry Christmas, and join us the next time. Bye-bye.